lads and lasses, welcome back to another Wednesday Windup, and in today's episode we'll be talking about just some normal news instead of the gaming news, because I'm going to upload part 2 of this Wednesday Windup on New Year's Day. Yes, New Year's Day, when I edit all the firework photos up and things like that. I'm going to put that up as a Wednesday Windup New Year's special type thing. So let's get into it. WhatsApp is to stop working on millions of phones on the 1st of January. Apple iPhones running on iOS 9 or newer, or any phone at least running Android 4.0.3, also known as Ice Cream Sandwich, will no longer be able to open or operate the Facebook-owned app. This means all iPods up to the iPhone 4 will be unable to support WhatsApp, and these phones are not capable of updating to iOS 9. The iPhone 4S, iPhone 5, iPhone 5S, etc. will not be able to upgrade to iOS 9. Therefore, it cannot run WhatsApp, and WhatsApp will, uninstall itself. Android phones like the Galaxy S2, the HTC Desire, and LG Optimus will also lose support because they can't upgrade to Android Ice Cream Sandwich 4.0.3. Here's another one for you lads and lasses. Cassette. If you know what they are, the little strings of tape that go round and round in circles playing your music. And the sales of them double in a year, with Lady Gaga's best-selling album on it. Sold in the UK 2020 so far is 157,000 tapes. That's the highest number since 2003, when tapes were basically gone. They were obsolete. The last tape was featuring Now 54 with Busted, Girls Aloud and Oasis with the biggest selling on tape. Now the top sellers are Lady Gaga, 5 Seconds of Summer and Young Blood. Okay, now lads and lasses, I know it's a short one today, but we are going to have the part 2 on... I keep forgetting its name. It's New Year's Day. I'll edit that all up, and it'll probably at least come out at 12 o'clock, like they usually do. I will see you in the next one, lads and lasses. Goodbye.